The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, bagi kiway. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak saupoin rimlak. Just wow.
Hakajia kendo kebelannya laikenta hapadeng ginoi lam na ke sorkar Meghalaya bat ginoi lam ke sorkar Assam haka arpo artarek nailar araja arpunriu hakoina dhara state guest house khanapara laya thirsani bha yaki jingmi ki jingjia huri hura han nongba Shillong hapadeng bat hadien ka rally arsaka haka khat khandai tarek nailar araja arpunriu bu dak jingya pakhang kali markel yang hapadeng ki arjela ka badang beteng hadu menta. Yaka kenhun na Meghalaya lalam khamadaw ba sniaw bahalang dharu sembut menteri rangba bat naga kenhun na Assam pan lalam khamadaw atul bora menteri beri khmi yakatanat border protection and development. Kesorkar Meghalaya kalaong bakal penpau ke jing sokia ya ki jing jia jing huri hura ki balam mi haka khat khandai tarik nailar araja apnrio bat penti kena ban pensitom ya ki badon kiti. Shu laong bak kesorkar Meghalaya kala pentip sya kesorkar Assam halor ke jing kem ya laingot ki noilam ke KSU da ka pentrai kam ya ke Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act bat benram bakila dan khat santeli ki FIR ki bala register mukadama na ki jing jia huri hura men haka khat khandai tarik nailar araja apnrio. Nolor kini kesorkar Meghalaya kalaong baladap tip halor sangut ki beri ki bakak dor khmat ki badan kti khamtam ki Pynjot ya ki kali Assam bat penpauru bakala Thaw ya ke special investigation team ban thwet ya barok ki badan kti hakini ki kampen huri hura.
A joint meeting between the governments of Meghalaya and government of Assam was held today at the 2nd August at Kyrwoh State Guest House to deliberate upon developments following the incidents in Shillong on 19 August 2026. The meeting was led by Honorable Minister from Meghalaya Ithuh and Honorable Minister's Government of Assam Sri Atul Bora and was attended by the senior officer of both the state governments. After detailed deliberations lasting more than 3 hours, and the meeting arrived at the following major decisions. 1. Yes, government of Meghalaya has sincerely regretted the unfortunate incidents of 19 August 2026 in Shillong and are sure to take strong actions against those who are involved. Arrest of the KSU leaders. The government of Meghalaya apprised the meeting that the President, the Vice President, the General Secretary of the Khasi Student Union have been arrested by invoking the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Acts. 3. FIR registered. The government of Meghalaya informed that 15 FIR have been registered so far in connection with the incidents of 19 August 2026. Identifications of the miscreants. 5 masked persons have so far been identified as being involved in the incidents of 19 August 2026, particularly in the attacks on the Assam registered vehicle. Constitution of the Special Investigation Team. The government of Meghalaya informed that a special investigation team has been constituted to identify all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for the attacks on Assam registered vehicle, and to ensure that prosecutions in accordance with the law.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.